Hello everyone, I'm Akash. In today's video, we will solve an interesting question on number theory. Question is, the last two digits of 2024 to the power 2024 are, these are the options. We will solve this question via two approaches. The first method is for those who are familiar with number theory concepts, and the second method is for those who are not too much familiar with number theory or higher mathematical concepts. So let's begin the solution. We will solve first this question via number theory approach. Since 2024 is congruent to 24 mod 100, since 100 divides 2024 minus 24, so 2024 congruent to 24 mod 100, and that implies 2024 square congruent to 24 square mod 100, and 24 square is nothing but 576, and we know that the 576 modulo 100 is nothing but 76 modulo 100. Okay, so give this as first and give this as second. Okay, now using 1 and 2 we have, and by properties of modular arithmetic we have 2024 cube congruent to 24 times 76 mod 100. Okay, we are not interested in this product, that is, we are not interested in this, we are just interested in the last two digits of this product. So let us compute it. We are not interested here, we are just interested in the last two digits, and the last two digits are 24. So this product modulo 100 is nothing but 24 mod 100. Okay, so give this as equation 3. Now from 1 and 3 we have 2024 to the power 4 congruent to 24 square modulo 100, and this is nothing but equivalent to congruent to 76 mod 100, as we have seen in equation 2. So okay, so and so on, this continues. So from here we see that whenever the power is odd, here power is 1, here power is 3, it is congruent to 24 mod 100. Okay, and whenever the power is even, it is congruent to 76 modulo 100. Okay, whenever the power is even, it is congruent to 76 modulo 100. Thus in general we have 2024 to the power 2n minus 1 congruent to 24 mod 100, and 2024 to the power 2n congruent to 76 modulo 100, and this holds for every n belongs to natural number. And in our case 2024 is an even number, it can be written as 2 times 1012. So from the case 2 we have 2024 to the power 2 times 1012, that is 2024 to the power 2024 is congruent to 76 modulo 100. Okay, so from this we have 76 is the remainder when 2024 to the power 2024 is divided by 100. Okay. So 76 is the remainder when 2024 to the power 2024 is divided by 100. And that implies the last two digits of 2024 to the power 2024 are 76. So the correct option is option C. Hence, we have solved this problem via number theory techniques. Now, let's solve this question via basic mathematics technique. We know that last two digits of the product 2024 times 2024 are same as last two digits of the product 24 times 24. Okay. The trick is that the last two digits of each number being multiplied can only have effect on the last two digits of answer. Okay. That's why the last two digits of this product is same as the last two digits of the product of the last two digits of original numbers. Okay. So we know that the last two digits of 24 times 24 are 76 because 24 square is 576 and the last two digits are 76. In the same way, by same trick, we have the last two digits of 2024 times 2024 times 2024, that is 2024 cube, is equals to last two digits of 24 times 24 times 24, that is 24 cube. Okay, and you can verify that 24 cube is 13,824. So the last two digits are 24. Okay, so we see that whenever the power is odd, the last two digits are 24. For example, in case of 2024 to the power 1, the last two digits are 24. In case of 2024 to the power 3, the last two digits are 24. And you can verify by continuing in the same fashion that whenever the power is even 2024 square, the last two digits are 76. Whenever the power is even, the last two digits are 76. And here in our case, the power is even number. Okay, 2024 is even number. So we have the last two digits of 2024 to the power 2024 are equals to 76 because the power is even number. So we have solved this question via basic mathematics technique as well. So if you found this video interesting and helpful, then please like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.